as you're getting started in Canvas, one of the first things that we want to do is we want to clean up this student navigation menu on the left-hand side. Right now you can see there are some things that are not visible to students, like announcements, pages, but we want to make sure that we limit the number of choices, because all of these are live links. We want to limit those for students because it limits the number of places they can click and then get lost. So I'm going to show you how to change these, and also which ones are definitely you need to keep on that menu. So you're going to scroll down and go to Settings. And right here, it's going to pop up on course details first. You're going to click on Navigation. And you're just going to drag the things from up here that you don't want. You're going to drag them down below here. And I'm going to just do that very quickly. All of these applications will still be available for you as the teacher to use and see, but they just won't be available for students. I am going to leave the Google Drive for students. It's a great place for them to be able to access their Google Drive from. Definitely get rid of the chat, collaborations, conferences. We're going to leave modules because your course should be arranged by module, and that is how they will get into their assignments. Quizzes, you're actually going to move. Even if you assign a quiz, you will assign it in the module. Rubrics, outcomes, syllabus, files, pages, people. We're going to leave grades because that's where kids can access what they're missing on Canvas or what their current assignment grade is or their feedback. We're going to get rid of discussions, assignments. So even if you make an assignment, you're going to make it through the module. There's no need for kids to be able to do that. Announcements, you can actually just drag down here because you have to enable announcements to show up on the home page. So right now, you need to definitely make sure that you have home, grades, modules, and Google Drive for students to be able to access. The fewer the choices they have up here visible, the less likely they are to get lost. So don't forget to scroll down and save. Now you can see I've taken away all of these choices and also all of these places for kids to get lost. If you assign something, you're going to assign it through a module. If you give a quiz or a discussion question, it should be given through the module. That way kids don't get lost. If you want to see how that looks from the student view, these are the only choices they would have right now. Okay, and modules is not showing up because I have not built a module in my sandbox. So if you have any other questions, please feel free to reach out and ask. If you have not adjusted this Canvas navigation menu, please do that as soon as possible.